Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm your teacher Saif Rehman. Today I'm here to teach you the next lessons. So first of all, I would like to ask you some questions. Please answer these questions. The first question is, who is the tallest boy in your class? Who is the tallest boy in your class? Good. Umar is the tallest boy in your class. Which is bigger, a camel or a horse? Good. Which is bigger, a camel or a horse? And the answer is camel. Good. Camel is bigger than a horse. How is apple? Please tell me, how is apple? Good. Apple is red. Apple is sweet. Understand, your students? If you see all these examples, we have qualified noun with some words. Okay. Red, sweet, bigger, tallest boy, bigger. Camel is bigger or horse is bigger. Apple, sweet apple, red apples. So these are the qualifying words which are qualifying nouns which we have used with the noun to give it some meanings. What these words are called, dear students? This is called adjectives. So today our topic is adjectives. We will study today 3 degrees of adjectives and their usage in English language. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you the definition of adjectives. Definition: the word that qualifies a noun is called adjectives. In this example, you see, Aslam is a good boy. She is a beautiful girl. This mango is sweet. So all the 3 green words qualify different nouns in the sentence. Good boy, good qualifies boy, boy is the noun. Beautiful girl, girl is the noun, and the word beautiful qualifies, gives meaning to this word girl. This mango is sweet. Sweet is also about mango. So we can say good, beautiful and sweet qualify the noun. So these are called adjectives. So any word that qualifies a noun is called adjectives. Understand, your students? Just like about a fan, you can say a big fan, white fan, Pakistani fan, Chinese fan, ceiling fan, GFC fan, park fan, beautiful fan, costly fan, cheap fan, dirty fan, clean fan. So many things you can say about fan, and fan is the noun. So any word that qualifies a noun is called adjective. Understand? Now we will talk about the degrees of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives, and I will tell you here how to form these 3 degrees. Normally, that is the general formula of adding ER and EST to the first degree of the adjectives. We get second and third degree. The first degree is called positive degree, second is called comparative degree, and the third is called superlative degree. Understand? We add ER with the positive degree and it becomes comparative, and then we add EST with the first degree, positive degree, and it becomes superlative degree. For example, big, bigger, biggest, tall, taller, tallest, easy, easier, easiest. So this is called regular form. Understand, your students? When we will mention regular form, it means we have added ER or EST to make second and third degree. That is called regular form. Understand? And there is another way. Some adjective formed by using more and most. These two words, more and most, we use with the first degree. We don't change its form, its spelling. That is called irregular form. Understand? For example, he is more intelligent than his friend. He is more intelligent. You see, intelligent is the first degree, positive degree, and more intelligent, comparative degree, second degree, and the most intelligent is the superlative degrees. Understand? Or you can say simply third degree. He is more intelligent than his friend. This is second degree or comparative degree. Okay, we have used the word more. In the second example, you see he is the most intelligent boy in the class. The most intelligent boy in the class. Most is used with the third degree or superlative degree. So this is the formation of the degrees. The first way is to use ER and EST, and the second way is to use the word more and most with second and third degree. Understand? So this is formation of degrees. Many degrees are formed in this way by adding ER and EST. Understand? The next degrees of adjective. Now we will study the usage of the degrees. Understand? Some adjectives are used to compare things. This comparison is of three kinds. Understand? We can use the adjective to compare the things. Understand? We can describe their goodness or their badness, their properties, their qualities in three different ways. Understand? For example, if you say Ali is a good boy. In this example, you see we have not compared Ali with anyone. Understand? Simply we have said Ali is a good boy. So this is called positive. Understand? Ali is better than Ahmed. In this example, you see that we have compared Ali with Ahmed. Understand? So better is the second degree of good or comparative degree of good. So Ali is better than Ahmed. This is called comparative degree to compare two things. In the third example, Ali is the best boy in the class. Here you mention that Ali is the best boy in the class. You have compared Ali with all the students in the class. This is called superlative degree, to compare one with all. Understand? In this way, there are three forms of degrees: comparative degree, superlative degree, and the first one is positive degree. Understand, dear students? So there are three kinds of degrees of adjectives. Positive degree if you have no comparison. Understand? If you compare two things, you will use the second degree. And if you compare one thing with all other things in the same group, in the same species, in the same generation, in the same class, in the same group, then it is called superlative degree. Understand? Structure. Here I will tell you how we use these comparative and superlative degrees with the nouns. The first is than is used after comparative degree. Dear students, his brother is bigger than my brother. Understand? My brother and his brother have been compared, and we have used his brother is bigger than. We have used than after bigger. Bigger is the second degree, comparative degree, and we have used than. His brother is bigger than my brother. Understand? Some words especially that enter from Italian language followed by to. Dear student, this is very important point. There are some words which have come from Italian language and they are always followed by to. Understand? He is junior to me, junior to. She is senior to me, senior to. This is superior to that, superior to. likewise inferior to. Understand? So these are some of the Italian language words, and we use always to after them to compare them. Understand, dear student? And always keep in mind there is no positive degree of these words, and there is no superlative. Comparative degree can also be used as adverb with addition of article the. Sometimes the second degree, the comparative degree, can be used as adverb with addition of article the, and special, this is the very special use of second degree or comparative degree, and we use the article the. Okay, compare. The higher you go, the cooler it feels. The higher you go, it means as you go high and high, the cooler it feels. It means as you go up with every kilometer, with every meter distance, okay, after every minute, after every second, the cooling increases. Understand? As you go high, the cooling also becomes high. Understand? So in this way we use the comparative degree as an adverb. The higher you go, the cooler it is. Or you can say the higher you go, the cooler it feels. And second example, the faster you run, the sooner you reach your destination. You very well understood, dear student. If you run fast, you will reach your destination very short, and a very short time, very sooner. So we use the word the article the with comparative degree as adverb, because these qualifies the action. The faster you run. You know what is adverb? If we use a word to qualify the verb, it is called, simply it is called adverb. For example, the faster we have used to qualify the verb run, so we say it is adverb. The faster you run, understand, we are qualifying the word run. We are not talking about you, we are talking about the action. Understand? The faster you run, the sooner you reach your destination. So this is the very special use of comparative degree with addition of article the. Understand? The article the is also used before the superlative degree. When there is superlative degree, it means if you compare one thing with all the things in the same group, in the same class, then you use the word the with superlative degree. For example, he is the best boy in the class. He is the best boy in the class. Here you used the plus best, and we will read it the best. Understand? He is the best boy in the class. Clear? Best is the superlative degree of good. Good, better, best. He is the best boy in the class. In the second example, she is the sweetest singer in the city. She is the sweetest singer in the city. It means no one can compete her. Okay? She is the only sweetest singer. Okay? No one can sing more sweet, or no one can sing sweeter than her. She is the only best singer. Okay? She is the only sweetest singer in the city. She is the sweetest singer in the city. So we have used the with superlative degree. Understand, dear students? We use superlative degree with the article the. So he is the best boy in the class. She is the sweetest singer in the city. Understand? The next topic is adjective phrases. Adjective phrases. In all the previous examples, you have used, or you have seen that we have used the word adjective in a single form. Okay, we have used single word to qualify a noun as an adjective. But here I will tell you how to use more than one words as an adjective. So look, adjective phrase A phrase used to qualify a noun is adjective phrase. Very simple, dear students. If there is a group of words that is qualifying a noun, it is called adjective phrase. So let's see the example. The boy dressed in blue was making a noise. Dressed in blue is qualifying the boy, that is the noun. So dressed in blue is adjective, and you see that this is a group of words. So group of words is called phrase. So it works here as adjective, so we'll say adjective phrase. Understand? The boy dressed in blue was making a noise. Second example, the jug with broken handle was speaking of their poverty. The jug with broken handle. With broken handle is qualifying the jug. What is that with broken handle? Which has broken handle? The jug. So with broken handle is adjective phrase. The jug with broken handle was speaking of their poverty. Understand, dear students? Now I will tell you order of different kinds of adjective preceded by one noun. So always keep in mind this sequence. First we use value, then we use size, then age, shape, color, region and material. Value, size, age, shape, color, origin and material. For example, 3 black Chinese shoes. In this example you see 3 is the value, okay, the number, black is the color, clear, Chinese is the origin, where these shoes are from, or who has made these shoes. So Chinese origin, and shoes is the material, okay. Shoes is the noun, but we can also use material with it, rubber shoes, cloth shoes. Understand? So these 3 words are the adjectives, okay. 3 is the number, black is the color, Chinese is the origins. So 3 black Chinese shoes. Understand, dear students? In this way, if there are more than one adjective, you can use with this sequence. I hope you have understood. Now there is activity for you. Solve the exercise on page number 33, 34 and 35 of your textbook, and write in your notebooks, prepare it and learn it. Thank you very much.